Bitcoin holders, prepare right now because the CPI data just came out, and I'm going to tell you what this means for the Bitcoin price and the crypto market. With that said, this is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin technical analysis and price prediction. Now, we're going to start with the most obvious. The CPI data came in at 6.4%. The expected was supposed to be at 6.2, but it ended up being at 6.4%. Inflation rose 0.5% in January, more than expected. Yes, things didn't turn out how we wanted it to be, but it did ease for the 7th month in a row. So this is a good sign overall. Now, what did the Bitcoin market do? We'll take a look at the weekly time frame. We have a green candle as of right now. It's sitting around the price of $22,108. Now, taking a look here on the 4-hour time frame, it looks very bullish. It looks like we're reversing. As you guys can see earlier today, it was a lot of volatility. It didn't know what it wanted to do, but now we see right now it's settling in. In the next 24 hours, we're going to find out what is next for Bitcoin. What do I mean? Well, guys, if we take a closer look right now, the S&P 500 is still green on the weekly time frame, which is a good sign. It loved the results from the CPI data. And taking a look actually on the daily time frame, we have a bullish scenario. As you guys know, on the daily time frame 2 days ago, we formed this candle, which means it was undecisive. It didn't know what it wanted to do because, as you guys know, everyone was anticipating the CPI data to come out for January. And it did. And look at, guys, we closed very high. We closed at about 22,200, which is a great sign. And it looks like it knows where it wants to go in which direction. So now we're going to see how high tomorrow will go, which is why I said in the next 24 hours, we will see where Bitcoin decides to go, because wherever Bitcoin decides to go, the crypto market will follow. And we do have some indicators right here. It's a good sign as of right now with the S&P 500. And taking a look here on the 4-hour time frame, yes, we're continuing up, but right now we're seeing a correction or a cool down because it is midnight. Nothing's happening. We'll find out in the morning at 8 a.m. when things open, the stock market opens and things are running. What will investors do? As of right now, it's a high probability we're going to see Bitcoin's price continue to rise, possibly to 23,000. Now, if the price of Bitcoin closes on the weekly time frame above 23,000, that is a bullish scenario, and this means we just seen a price correction briefly for the Bitcoin price. Okay, so we take a look right here. Also, it looks very bullish because we did see a correction. As you guys can see, we saw a 10% correction going as low as 21,300 before consolidating around this area of 21,600 to $800. And because of the news from the S&P 500, or not the S&P, the CPI data, well, right now we have a bullish candle right here. So we'll find out what is next for Bitcoin in the next 24 hours. So if we take a closer look at the hourly time frame with the liquidities, we do have some liquidity around 22,300. If we want to see a $23,000 price range, we need to break above this area. As you guys can see, earlier today we tried to break above it. We failed 2 times. So this is some area of resistance we need to break. But if we do, guys, we can easily shoot up to 22,900 to 23,000. And we do have some high liquidity grab right here around 23,400, which is very possible we can see tomorrow. But I would say is a good probability this week we do see a 23,000 and we close above 23,000 for the Bitcoin price. With that said, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin technical analysis. Make sure you turn on post notifications if you're subscribed. Also, go get yourself one of these guys, a cold wallet. Link description down below or in the comments, which is the pinned comment. Go buy yourself one, because if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. And go check out this video right above, because Bitcoin or YouTube is recommending it. It's very important that you watch it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.